Here he comes. Hey. Southbound local L555 with 2 tankers. That train originates in Gilman, Illinois. The train originates in Gilman, Illinois. Heads to Champaign, Illinois to serve a couple industries. It's done. Once it's done, it takes some empties back north to Gilman, Illinois. Takes some empties back to Champaign, Illinois, where it's going right now. On this Saturday, June 17, 2023, from my main channel on YouTube. That was pretty cool. That EX Grand Trunk SD40-2 trailing with an E-bell. I saw that locomotive about sometime during New Year's Day. This had nothing that way, and there's nothing that way. Here comes the next video. Roll it.